Greetings from outside of Progressive Field in downtown Cleveland, Ohio. Today is Monday, December 18th, 2023. It's about 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time and a very chilly 24 degrees Fahrenheit. I just wanted to come by Progressive Field and try to take a peek at the stadium renovations that are being done. From this angle, you can at least see, if I zoom in a little bit, that the upper deck in that section, all the seats have been cleared out, and that's one of the areas that they're going to convert to kind of like an open air plaza where people can go to bars, food areas, and be like a more popular standing room area since those seats were seldom sold out in modern days. And then we can't see it from this angle, but they're supposed to be doing the same thing over here in the right field area. I'm not sure if I walk further down if we'll see that. And then online, someone showed a picture that some of the seats had been swapped out and are now like a bright blue color. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to see that from here because right now I don't see it. I thought it was that area there, but those still look green to me. I'm not sure how extensive the tearing out of seats are going to be this season because they're not going to, from what I read online, they're not going to replace them all this off-season. It's going to be like a phased thing. But the main two projects that they're working on this off-season are getting that upper deck changed to a standing room area. You definitely see the big cranes working on the field. Maybe if we go to the left field porch. I'm not sure how accessible it is. Maybe you can see more. Up there you can see the seats are being... Yeah, it looks like the seats are cleared out up there, but I think they're actually supposed to be removing the structure, like the angled structure, and turning that into a flat area as well where people would just walk around. It looks like they've physically removed the seats on most of the upper seats. Some of the lower ones are still in existence, so once they do that, that should get moving. And I'm not sure if they're going to keep the covered area, like they would protect you from the rain, but I would imagine that would be nice to keep that, prevent weather conditions from getting to people. Yeah, if I go a little bit further down now, you can definitely see most of the seats are actually torn out. If this is a big structural change to the stadium, they're going to have a lot of work ahead of them to try to get that finished because 4 or 5 months from now the season's going to be started, and that's supposed to be like ready for opening day. There's other elements that won't be ready until maybe 2025, which include the Terrace Club being converted to like an outdoor club area. They've started construction on that, but they said that one requires even more structural work, so that one won't actually be completed until the 2025 season. So my assumption is that there won't be any usage of the Terrace Club for the entirety of this upcoming season. But let's walk on down to the left field area. We might not have access to it because you can see up ahead they've got a fence put up and some guardrails. You can sort of get a look over here. Oh, we do have a shot of the blue seats. So the blue seats in the lower bowl, see how they're blue instead of the green? So that's going to be, I'm not sure what percent they're going to be able to change this off season, but that's definitely in progress. And then that's the work being done on the Terrace Club. That will be 2025, but the upper deck above that should be completed this off season. And other renovations, looks like they're starting to do some renovations possibly by the Dugout Club, but I think the Dugout addition, like an extra restaurant and club being developed down there, won't be until 2025. I'm gonna go ahead and snap a quick picture here. Yeah, that's probably the gist of what we'll get to see, but let me stand out here on Gateway Plaza in between Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse and Progressive Field to see more of a perspective shot. That's pretty much the extent we're going to get a look at today. But thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this little construction update, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you next time.